Today we are going to go over number lines, time on number lines again. So let's get to it. It's a little different than last time in that it's there's a start time, and then there's an elapsed time, and then there's the end. So last time we went backwards because we were trying to find the start, but now we are finding the end. So let's get to it. So we're starting at 7:25. As we established before, so this is 7 o'clock, this is 8 o'clock, and each of these are 5 minutes. The taller ones are 10. So this is 7:10, 7:20, 7:30, 40, 50, and then each of these are 5. So 7:05, 7:15, 7:25, 7:35, 7:45, 7:55, right? And this one in the middle obviously is 7:30. So 7:25 would be one back, so this is 7:25 right here. Then we're just hopping forward 1 hour, right? So that's 1 hour. And then we're hopping forward another 10 minutes, which, as I said, since all these lines are 5 minutes, it would be 1, 2. So that is 10 minutes, right? And we end up we were at 7:25, so 7:35, and then 10 minutes after, so 7:25 to 8:25, and then 10 minutes after 8:25 is 8:35. So we're just ending at 8:35, right? Now we're at 1:25 and we're going forward an hour and 40 minutes. So let's find 1:25. So 25, right? It's 5 minutes before 30, so that's 1:25 is right here. So then we're hopping forward an hour. And yeah, when you go an hour, the minutes don't change. So it's just 1 hour, right? And then it's just 2:25 when you hop forward an hour. So then what I like to do is usually I will stop at 3 o'clock if I'm going to be going further than 3 o'clock. So if I'm going 40 minutes, I could actually hop forward 30 minutes. So 2:25. Now there are a couple of ways I could do this. Okay, so 2:25, I could just subtract 60 minus 25, which equals 35, right? So I could do the math here. So this equals 35. So, and we're doing it from 60 because that's basically 60 minutes is in an hour, so 60 minutes after 2 o'clock is when it changes to 3 o'clock. So I could say this is 35 minutes, right? And then it's another 5 minutes because 35, we're going 40. So it would be 3:05, right? 3:05. You could also just start counting by fives on these lines and then go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and you would get to the same spot, right? Usually on a test or something, you're not going to have this neat little line, so you're going to have to do an open number line, but we use what we have. So 6:10 right here, right? 6:05, 6:10, and we're hopping forward an hour. An hour to there, and then 25 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 7:10 plus 25 minutes would be 7:35. Right, so now we're at 7:15. which is right here, or a quarter after 7, as you could call it, right? So it's 7:05, 7:10, 7:15. We're hopping forward an hour to 8:15. So 1 hour, and then we're going to hop forward 30 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, right? Which 15 plus 30 is 45, so that's just 8:45, or commonly known as quarter till 9, or quarter to 9, right? So 5:55, let's get there, 5 minutes before 6, right? 2 hours and 15 minutes. So then that would be 6:55, 7:55, and then 5, 10, 15, right? If we didn't have this number line, what we could do is split the 15 up and go from 5:55 to, or I'm sorry, 7:55 to 8 o'clock, which would be 5 minutes. And then obviously if we went 5 minutes out of the 15, we would need 10 minutes to go, and then it would be 8:10.